How are you guys doing today? I hope that this video will help you slow down and soak in all of the peaceful visuals, relaxing music, and edifying words. All of the beautiful contemplative songs that you'll hear in this video are actually part of the new soundtrack on my shop. I collaborated with my best friend, Karen, to make this new soundtrack for you guys. It's called the Abundant Life Soundtrack 2. And it's available for download at thehugashop.com. I hope you'll be blessed by these original piano tracks. Now, let's catch up a bit. John and I recently moved into this temporary apartment while our house is getting worked on. We've been living like college students and surviving off of pizza and instant noodles during these past 2 weeks. But truthfully, we've never been happier. Sometimes downsizing and being closer to nature can help you reclaim your sense of peace in the way that you wouldn't expect. Each morning, we're able to walk down the tree-lined streets and see children playing in their front yards. It's a sight that we never got to see back in the city, and we didn't know how much we missed it until now. In this season of transition, we've made it a point to purge anything that no longer serves us. This includes the things that are in our hearts as well. There's this beautiful proverb that says, "Guard your heart above all else, for it determines the course of your life." If your heart is full of fear, resentment, and anxiety, then what you do will result from what's inside your heart. But if you have a heart full of faith, generosity, and gratitude, then your burdens will feel lighter. You'll find it easier to forgive people when they offend you. You'll be able to speak the truth in love without slandering those who have hurt you. But on the other hand, if your heart is full of fear and anxiety, you will inadvertently look for things to control. You might feel like trouble just comes flocking to you, but it's actually because your actions might be fear-driven, not love-driven. Don't be mistaken. Perfect love casts out fear. It does not justify it. This means that having the perfect love of God should cast out all your fears and worries, not provide a justification for it. I don't know who needs to hear this message today, but your heart deserves to be the wellspring of life, and only you can decide what you want to keep inside it. For me, I realized that there was a constant humming of anxiety in my heart that somehow slipped under my radar for the longest time. I was living with this low-grade anxiety for so long that I started thinking it was normal. It wasn't until we moved here that I was able to take a deep breath of fresh air and realized that my whole body felt more relaxed. I slept better, clenched my jaws less often, and my brain fog totally disappeared. Sometimes, the fear and anxiety in our hearts becomes so frequent that we grow accustomed to it, thinking that it's just a normal part of life. But all it really takes is a moment without that humming of anxiety for us to realize that there might perhaps be a better way to live. That's why I encourage you to slow down and do something outside of your usual cycle of work, eat, sleep, repeat. Make intentional time for a walk in the park or a stroll around your local nursery. Even taking 15 minutes to breathe in silence might help you reflect and realize what's in your heart. My favorite rest time activity lately has been journaling on this lush balcony while playing these peaceful piano instrumentals in the background. I love creating peaceful experiences for myself and sharing them with you so that you can replicate it in your own sanctuaries as well. If you want to listen to some of the tracks by themselves without my voiceover, just go to the Hookah Shop's YouTube channel to check it out. My friend created the most beautiful animation video for the soundtrack, so I hope it'll elevate your quiet time experience. Everything will be linked in my description below, including all the decor and furniture that you've seen in this video. Enjoy the rest of the makeover, and I'll talk to you again soon.